What in the world is this? Crystals in here? Let's go put these things to the test right now. I bought this 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. It was an ex-sheriff from Lake County. I have said this a million times before. Other people see junk here. I see beauty. I'm gonna be pulling the engine, the transmission. There is parts like these spotlights right here. These are intact. See, there's a hubcap right there. That's worth something. I'm gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. So basically, it's like an old cop car treasure hunt. So if you want to join the quest to find a biscuit, hit that like button right now. Okay, so unfortunately, the push bumper got messed up. Yeah, that happened. So I'm pretty sad about that. But check this out. The Federal Signal siren speaker survived. It's hanging there by a small thread. Let me cut that off. Get out Federal Signal siren speaker. Oh, and look, headlight flashers. Okay, we're gonna test the siren speaker. Go ahead.
Police, come out of the vehicle with your hands up.
Okay, so let me demonstrate to you guys what happened here. Boom! It's some sort of bracket with some lights on here. We're gonna go ahead and test these lights. Nice. And the other side is blue. Very nice. Another Unity spotlight. All right, and this is stuck. So I'm gonna have to go around. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. Now that's very strange for that accident, and there is no airbag deployment. Okay, I'm gonna start searching from the front and work my way to the back. Let's get started. All right, let's start by removing this. Gotta get this out. It's a Federal Signal mirror strobe. Sweet. Red. So this is a Motorola XTL 5000. These two go together. Oh, and let me show you these other goodies I pulled from different cars. I'm gonna walk over and show you the other cars in just a bit. Smart siren out too. I'm gonna see if I can find the other piece so I can put it on the Vegas project. If you guys missed the last video, make sure you go back and check it out. Okay, I gotta cut that real quick. Federal Signal Delta, very nice. We will be testing this out soon. Ooh, wasp nest. It's dead. Panasonic Tough Book holder. I got this new camera, so I don't know what this video is looking like or sounding like. So testing. There's some sort of battery or computer back here. Motorola speaker. Cup holder. This is perfect. This could go in the Vegas project. Radio Shack charging port. Please be a biscuit. Water. Check in here for. Ooh, yikes. That is old, disgusting water. Accident form. Ooh, that water's slimy. No biscuit in there. Check this out. Never seen something like this before. It's a very nice seat. Money, money, money. 50 cents. We're gonna try and pull this door off with this Badland. We're gonna head and start winching. What?
Okay, first attempt was a fail.
Attempt number 2. Attempt number 3. Oh my goodness. Right there, we got it, We got it. Pops wants to help. Yeah. Oh yeah, now I can get to the seat. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And what is this? 5D blocking car protector. Nice. Nice Troy center console. Now I'm gonna remove this cup holder right here. Hello, Mr. Spider. He's dead. Spotlights. When you love what you do for work, it is probably the best thing I could ever recommend for you guys. It's kind of like just getting paid for your hobby. You'll live a better quality of life. I highly recommend it. Gotta remove this door. Yeah. Looky what we have here. Peerless leg iron shackles. What is this? A long whip antenna. Ooh, look at this. I know somebody who was looking for these specifically. Now, if I could only remember who this person was. Oh my goodness, it's so filthy in here. Oh my. Rear deck lights. Let's test them out. Sweet. Not bad at all. Looks like a microphone wire. Trust me, they're listening. Dude, I almost locked myself in here. The door was about to slam close on me and I stuck my foot out just in time. Phew, I would have been stuck here till tomorrow because my phone is right out there. See, my phone is right out there. So I just discovered that inside of this lip gloss was this, which looks like a meth to me. I'm gonna go ahead and test a little bit of it. So I got this heroin in it to see. Oh, and meth. Yep. Okay, let's put this thing to the test. So you pour some in there, break it, shake it. So if it turns brown, it's meth. And oh yeah, that's for you. Okay, now it's the next day and I brought the key to remove this shackles. One winner this video. This looks like a nice trunk. Let's see if I can find any goodies in here. Please be a biscuit, and I ain't talking about bread. All right, got my gloves on. Police tape. Some sort of jacket in here, old and moldy. Look at this biohazard box full of used needles. That is just beyond disgusting. Good thing I have these gloves to protect me. Okay, as promised, I was gonna show you guys the other cars I pulled things from. Take a look at this. This is a parts car. It was negative on the biscuit on this one. And this is a wrecked Interceptor sedan. Also negative on the biscuit. Oh yes, I almost forgot, guys. What in the world is this? This looks like little crystals. I don't know, this looks like salt or something. A supernatural shot. You know how salt kills mythical creatures? I gotta put these things to the test. Let's go shoot them off right now. We're gonna go borrow the landlord's shotgun. Got the Mossberg 12. Let's go. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous to shoot this because I don't know what this does. I don't know. So here goes nothing. Doing the world a favor by eradicating this disease or virus or whatever you want to call it. Here we go. The first one was a dud. Woo! Yeah, eradicating disease. Now where's the funny man? Whoever stole the funny man, give him back. All right, so what should I shoot next? I only have one more shot. Oh my goodness, guys. One shot back and got me in the leg. Oh, I didn't even notice. Just kidding. That would have been crazy. But look, check this out. All right, so I brought this over. I'm gonna shoot this and see what kind of damage it does to that. Okay, let's do this. Whoever would have thought salt does that much damage? Holy crap. Whew. It has the weirdest smell too. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification. Let's get to 1 million subscribers, and a huge shout out to all my channel members. Thank you guys so much. Your support makes videos like these possible.